Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Airflow Web UI login issues, Auth Backend Errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with the Airflow Web UI due to authentication backend errors, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, check your Airflow configuration file, typically named airflow.cfg. Locate the section labeled Web Server. Verify that the auth_backend setting is configured correctly. Common options include airflow.www.authentication, airflow.providers.google.auth, or custom backends. If you are using a custom authentication backend, ensure that it is properly installed and accessible. Next, confirm that your database is correctly configured and accessible. Authentication issues may arise if the database connection is interrupted or improperly set up. Open the terminal and run a connection test using the command appropriate for your database type. Ensure you have the correct credentials and that the database server is running. After verifying the database connection, restart the Airflow web server. This can be done by running the command Airflow web server reload. If the issue persists, check the Airflow logs for any error messages. Logs can usually be found in the logs directory of your Airflow home directory. Look for entries related to authentication failures or backend errors. If you see warnings or errors, address them as necessary. Also, ensure that the Airflow environment variables are correctly set. Variables such as Airflow_home or Airflow_core_SQL_alchemy_con may affect authentication. Consider resetting the Airflow database, especially if you suspect schema issues. Run the command Airflow DB reset with caution, as this will clear existing data. If you're using an external identity provider, test the integration configuration. Ensure that any API keys or OAuth settings are correctly implemented. Finally, consult the Airflow community forums or documentation for any recent changes or known issues with specific versions. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix your Airflow Web UI login issues related to authentication backend errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.